Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Matthew Conger and I am the Small Chef. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to cut up some pineapple, and there's going to be some different uses you can use it for, which would be, as a puree for fruit platters, or if you just want to dice it up and eat it just as is. So let's get started. Alright guys, so first and most important thing is when you're out picking your pineapple from the grocery store, make sure it has a little color to it. That's always good, especially if you're going to use it that day. It's okay if it's green and you're not going to use it that day. And another key tip to make sure it's kind of fresh is if you can pull out this center piece here. And it pulls out quite nicely. That's what you want. And I'll do it again. And it pulls out easily. If it doesn't pull out easily, don't buy it. It's not right. Now, when you want to cut in your pineapple, what you have to do is cut it at the top here. So you cut it right here, straight down. Now, if you're using this for like a centerpiece, you could, of like a fruit platter, put it right in the center, put your fruit around it, and you could use it as a centerpiece if you wanted to. But I have no use for this, so I'm just going to throw it away. Now, we must cut off the bottom. Now the reason you do this is so we have something to sit on, so it's nice and straight. I'll show you what I mean. So we cut the bottom off. There. Now it sits nice and flat, and we don't have to worry about it wobbling all over the place. It's going to sit nice and flat and firm there. So now we got to take off the outside peel here. And there's a core right here. I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of this. Now some people have this little core device, and you can just push it through and it takes out the core. Well, some people don't have that, and we have to get around that somehow, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So first we got to peel it. So you take your knife around the outside and go down through. Now see how you leave some there? You got to get rid of that. You can't eat it. It's not edible. And then you just go, so I'm going to put my knife right there. So I'll go right there. You just follow that line down through and cut it off. Want to do it again? Go a little deeper so we get the rest of that off. And there we go. And you guys just keep repeating the process until it's done. Alright guys, now that we're done with our pineapple, you can throw this outside away. Alright, now that my cutting board's clean, now we have our clean pineapple that we're going to be using. Gonna open some more. There we go. Now, some of this is okay to eat, it's not going to kill you, but you want to clean off most of it like that. We just got to clean that off a little more, and there you go. So now what you want to do is find the core. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right there. And what you want to do is cut it in half. So we're going to cut it in half and go straight down through. And there's your pineapple. And the core is between here and here. Now we got to get that out of there because that is very hard and not edible. I mean, you could eat it if you want, but it's not very good tasting. So what we have to do is we got to cut it in half again. So always lay it on the flat side so we don't cut ourselves. Now that it's cut in half, we can get this core out now. The way you do this is, though, you put it down on a flat side, either this side or that side, whichever's more comfortable for you. Then you take your knife at an angle, 45-degree angle, and you can see where the core is. Up here it's down low, up here it's a little higher. So when you bring your knife up, you're going to have to bring it up a little higher with the core. So I'll show you. And there we go, guys. And that's how you take out the core. So that is gone now. And I'll show you one more time. Now, when you're making pineapple chunks to eat, what you have to do is you slice it right down through like this. Now, another thing to keep in mind is the smaller the pineapple is, the more flavor it has. And you guys have to try this at home. So if you cut a really big chunk, let's say you cut off a big hunk just like that. This, and then you cut a little hunk like this. Now this will have more flavor than this will. and you guys have to try this out for yourselves at your house. Wow, guys, this is really good pineapple. It's delicious. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna cut it up. And there you go, guys. There's your pineapple chunks. It's ready to serve and use for whatever you want to use it for. Alright, guys, and that's how you cut up pineapple. You guys can use it on a fruit platter, just chopped up like that, or you can use it in a puree for marinating a steak, and I'll have that video coming up pretty soon for you guys. So if you are stopping in for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please hit that blue button up on top. And you guys have an awesome day.